Tia Marie Arnold, and today I am going to be making some glorious turkey burgers. They're actually turkey bacon avocado burgers, and we're going to be using this beautiful Ninja Foodi. I love my Ninja Foodi. I already preset it, and I will show you how I preset my bacon after it's done, because this thing is ready. It does not take long to preheat. So what we have is some peppered bacon. So good. You know it's pepper because it's covered with pepper. Really love pepper bacon for this recipe. So all you do is lift this up. And I'm making 3 sandwiches because 3 people are going to be eating these today. You just place them in there, you close it up, you set the timer to 9 minutes, and you let that cook. Okay, so while the bacons are in the Ninja Foodi, we're going to start with our avocado. And please hold. Beautiful. So while our turkey bacon is, while our bacon is cooking, we're going to go ahead and start on our avocado. So I've already cut it open. I love this little knife right here. It's very cute. Actually kind of looks like an avocado. I call it my avocado knife. We'll go ahead and scoop it out. And this is real simple. I'm starting to realize I love guacamole, but I'm starting to realize that I don't need it, because when you get the right type of avocado, when it's ready and it's nice and flavorful, and then you just add just a little bit of kosher salt. If I did it, I don't measure. I'm very bad at measuring, but maybe if I shook it maybe 3 times, 1, 2, 3, that's probably enough. And then I use, this is my daughter's. Both of these are my daughters. They're little, they're for kids, but I love this for my avocado, because then I just, well, there it goes. Then I just smash. Because I like to make an avocado spread for this burger. So how are you guys holding up during this quarantine? I hope you're staying safe. For me, I really love cooking during this time, because I have my whole family. Sometimes my daughter comes around and she's asking me questions, and I've just really learned more about myself. I believe it's just been a really good time. And so just be encouraged that if there's something on your heart that you want to do, this is a great time to try it. Alright, so this right here, this is done. The avocado spread is good and it's ready. We have these glorious buns, Arnold buns. My last name is Arnold. These are my buns. Okay, anyway, so I need to get a napkin because I have this avocado piece sitting right here on this counter and it's bothering me. Let's go ahead and clean that up. Oh. Alright. So here, I did not measure. I do apologize, but this is my mix of garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Now, you also are going to add salt, but I didn't want to put all the salt in here because I want to make sure every single turkey burger is covered correctly with salt. You don't want this to get too salty. These are just regular frozen turkey burgers. So this is really great, especially for this Ninja Foodi. So all I'm going to do is just take a little bit in my hand and just cover it. Because it's not salt, I can just be very generous with my seasoning. And if I were to take a guess, I probably have about a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder, and probably a half a tablespoon of pepper. I try to not do so much on the pepper. But cover it nice and even. Alright. And actually, I don't even feel like I need all of this, so it looked good. Probably can do a little bit more here. All right. And then the 1, 2, 3 method. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn it over. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So the turkey burgers are ready. Your avocado spread is ready. Let's go ahead and spread it onto our buns. All right. And since I'm here, I probably will just do everybody's. But, so yep, you just go ahead and spread it. Oh, that looks so good. I'm so hungry. I could just probably just eat this. But listen, so we used to make the turkey burgers, just the turkey patties, the avocado, and the bread. And then one day, the Lord said, put a piece of bacon on that thing, girl. And oh my God, it blessed. Did it not, y'all? It blessed.
Hallelujah.
Woo, it was so good. I said, oh yes. And this is the bacon that I make for my greens. Yes, Lord. My greens, my greens. So I will be doing a video on my greens. All right, these bacons are about done. Got about a minute. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so hungry. It smells so amazing. Make sure you don't make them too crunchy. Yesterday I wasn't paying attention. Let me tell you about this Ninja Foodi. If you leave the food in there, it's gonna keep cooking. So I wasn't paying attention. I was doing something else, and my bacon came out so crispy. I was like, no. We want it to be at least chewable, right? Okay. And so these are done. They smell amazing. And my mother taught me always to cover them and get that grease off of them. We'll set them aside over here. Okay, so with this Ninja Foodi, so you don't, especially if you're cooking 2 things on the grill, you don't want it to stop all the way because you don't want to have to restart it and preheat. So if you press grill, for these turkey burgers, it's grill. Well, let me go back. The bacon was actually, you needed it low, and it sets the temperature for you, and then it was 9 minutes. That's it, okay? Since we're doing turkey burgers, we're gonna go to medium, so it moved the temperature up to 450, and we're gonna do 12 minutes, and we're gonna flip at 6 minutes. So let's go ahead and add those. And that beep is just telling me that it has reset to where I need it to be. And then we close it. All right. And then at 6 minutes, we're gonna flip the turkey burgers, let them finish cooking, and then we're gonna add them to our sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and finish preparing the buns, and I will be back. Well, burgers are done. I've already put them together. They are amazing. This is how you make a gourmet turkey avocado bacon burger at home with the Ninja Foodi. And listen, it's all about the seasoning. The seasoning is what makes the burger and the bacon and the avocado. All of it together. And the buns. This thing is just magical. The whole combination is just like yes, yes, yes. Every bite, you'll taste it. It'll just bless your whole life. And that is all I have for you with She is a Cook with Tia Marie Arnold. Have a blessed day.